a review to do with you. So hopefully you can hear this. If not, I'll dub over. Okay. Alright. See you when we get there. Alright, so walking around the airport, trying to find where we gotta go. But if you know, Sbarro's. Look. This is like back in the day. Got your stuffed pizza. Sbarro's. Muchas gracias. Yeah, every kind of restaurant you can think of, they have. All right. So we finally made it to the right side of the airport. We got dropped off down there. So, morning, it'll just be easier just to cross that bridge rather than going all the way down there. So, yeah. This is where we're going. Let's check it out. Hopefully I can fit. It is nice and cold in here. 112, 103, 116, 120. This is home. Ooh.
At this time, we ask that you turn off your portable electronic devices and turn them to airplane mode.
Okay. All right. Oh, this is not a good angle for Eric. All right. Let's try this again. Hey. All right. So finally, I mean, I've been watching people, YouTubers, get into these capsules, and it just seems always very intriguing to me. Did I have to come all the way to Mexico to try it? No. I believe there's one in New York and one in LA. But needless to say, I am in Mexico and I am in a capsule hotel at the international airport. Are you ready for this tour? It's pretty cool. That is our front door. And so when it's closed, it locks. You gotta put your key card up there. Then there's an unlock button here. We have a mirror. Ooh. We have lights. Mood lighting. Look at that. Okay. We have air. We will keep that guy on. Oh, that's the white light. So now it's just blue in here. So let's do that. Let's turn that one off. USB ports, regular plug, headphones, and that's just for the TV. Dun 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 dun. The TV. So over here, whoa. Jesus. We have a table. Which is really loud to get out. So I feel kind of bad about that. If I have any neighbors. Fire extinguisher. A coat hook. Another coat hook. The back wall. So let's do this. Oh boy. Ow. That guy. I got some lights. Let's see. But yeah, that's inside Capsule Hotel. Not much to it. Gonna relax a little bit. Go find something to eat. And yeah, do whatever. Watch YouTube videos, probably. So, alright, bye for now. Well, good morning. It is 3:18, and we're gonna catch our flight back to America. Just want to say, what was that? 10 hours in a cubicle, in a cube, in Mexico. Alright, so you see that picture a little bit better than what the lights off. Inside, the only difference is mine didn't even have any headphones, and that TV is way nicer. Other than that, it's just like that. So, yep, IZZZ sleep. If you're ever in Mexico City, you have that early flight, that was where I would go. Now, to walk all the way down this way, go see where our terminal is for our security. Adios, Mexico. Why would Mexico be any different? Gotta spend that money. In typical Eric fashion, Eric is super duper early. So early that the flight doesn't even show. It's like 3:45. I don't think I have to check. I've already checked in, but I don't have to. The plane doesn't start loading until 6. So they said, oh, 2 hours. So I'd make sure I'm 2 hours. Yeah. Story of my life. Super duper early. Wait forever. All right. Way back to Orlando, America. America. America.